In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a barcode for your business using Microsoft Word. If you're new here, this channel is all about making money online, YouTube growth and monetization, and tips to carry out our daily tasks. If this sounds like what you're interested in, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future videos. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you how to create a barcode in a few minutes. So the first thing you would do is to come over to your Microsoft Word and click on Ctrl F9. So in here you type in display barcode. So after that, click on space, then you open the quotation mark, then you put in the link that you want to create the barcode for, whether your Facebook or your business page or any of them. Just put in the link there, then close the quotation mark. Now go ahead to click on space, then type in QR, then click on space again. Now put in a \3, then after that click on F9. So you have successfully created a barcode for your business. Now you can go ahead and test it with your phone camera so that you can see how it works. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you won't miss out on our next video.